Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to Essential RC. So a new FPV project. My aim with this one really is to do the simplest form of EDF Jet FPV. So I had a long look for simple EDF jets, so I don't want the complexity of retractable landing gear or flaps or anything like that. I was quite happy for it to be hand launchable. So this is the XFly Su-27. It comes in a couple of schemes. I bought a couple of these. I've put in DJI 03 air unit. This is fixed, not maybe we'll look at, you know, moving it, panning it and tilting it in the future. In here I have got an ELRS receiver. I think it's the new ELRS 6G receiver from Radiomaster. Again, these are really cost-effective receivers, and they do a range of quite a few now for small models all the way up to large gliders and large fixed-wing models now. So look those up. I'll put the link to that in the video description and the pinned comment. We're using a 4S 2200 pack from Formax. These are really good 60C rated packs. And lastly, I'm using the new Radiomaster Pocket transmitter. Look at this thing. This is a charcoal semi-transparent case that it's got, but it comes in a few other colours as well, and they've also sent me I think a red case to prove that, and I will do a video later to show how easy it is to change the case. But otherwise that's it. To point out one thing, annoying thing that I found out about DJI 03 is that it will not go to full power in this setup. So I've just got that powered. We'll have it powered off the balance tap on the LiPo. For it to be told to go to full power, you have to plug it into a flight controller and for it to see an arming signal. Why? I don't know. That wasn't the case on the previous version of FPV air units from DJI. Maybe they'll fix this in the future, but that's the way it is. So I've actually got to buy a couple of Maytech flight controllers so that they do go to full power. So I'm not going to be flying it FPV today. It'll be limited range because it will be in low power mode, but I might get a bit of onboard footage. So let's get it in the air. Trev's going to hand launch and we'll see how it goes. Okay, here we go. How's that, Finn?
I can see pretty clearly.
Good. Now the unfortunate thing is we can't record the onboard footage. I'm flying on half power, so the power's really good, I have to say.
It's a lot quieter than what I thought it'd be.
Needed a little bit of trim on aileron. Whoa. It's really windy, I have to say, so hope I turned on the other microphone.
Nicely done.
Nice. I sensed it was running out of juice. So rather than go around again and go downwind, the best thing was to come back. So I think that proves the airframe. Really happy with that. Finn, take your goggles up to your forehead. Come over here. So Finn's going to give us a view on the FPV view. How was the, come and stand here. How was that?
Oh, it looked awesome. It just adds another feel to, well, FPV and jets and stuff.
And you could see the visor.
Yeah.
Yeah, the front of the canopy.
That was so cool.
Good. All right, and it had really good power. I think the pack is quite small, maybe a little bit bigger on the pack to give us more flight time. But yeah, really happy with that. I'll put a couple of Maytech flight controllers in them so we can get full power on the DJI FPV system, and then we'll fly them FPV. Thanks for watching Essential RC, really appreciate it. See you soon, bye.
Bye.
Nicely done.